Hello everyone, this is Jim Okerzinski with your weekly screencast video. So this week I'm beginning on the announcements page once again, just to go over some of the schedule that I did post up over last week, since I decided to post a couple of weeks. We're going to continue our work on the formal report. Chapter 8 quiz, I want to remind everybody, was due on Friday. I'll review those that need to be reviewed over the next day or two. You want to make sure that you do complete all the missing quizzes. I imagine that I will close out the quizzes somewhere around Sunday, May 3rd. So be aware of that so I can start breaking down and preparing the grade for the end of the semester. Also, later this week, I will post the lecture video up. I'm probably doing it in a day or two so I can get ahead of the draft and peer review report that is due for the formal report. The peer review process is pretty much going to be the same as prior. Let me get over to the folder here. A drive folder. You will notice in the formal report folder, I already have a couple of folders set up. Make sure you set up your folder with your draft copy of the formal report. I already have the peer review report here. Make sure to make a copy and rename it immediately. Rename it here so that we preserve the original document for everyone in the class. Now, I want to comment briefly about the peer workshop. This is an elaborate report. As you can see, it has many parts: front matter, body, back matter, all those items in that belong in that particular report. So I expect, in fact, I expect some significant engagement about the peer review report. Okay, many people for the proposal wrote, one or two sentences, really didn't come up with anything significant in the way of items that they thought would need some help. They would need some help with. Consequently, a lot of the peer reviews were rather anemic. I understand the proposal was a shorter type of a document, but given the restructuring of the course and the fact that these peer reviews are worth 30 points apiece, and this is the formal report, which I consider to be the capstone of your course, of this course, 1105, at the end of the semester, along with the e-portfolio, I'm really looking for some serious engagement and some serious time spent with the report on your part, number one, and the reviews you write for your course mates. Okay, so I want to be clear on that. The idea here is that since this is a significant assignment, there should be some significant peer review report and review activity. Okay, so if you have any questions about that, you might want to send me an email. I will give you, if I do make a point reduction because of the lack of effort in the peer report, I will denote it in the comments sections of that particular assignment. All right, so that is up and in the folder as of now, so you can start utilizing that over the next several days. If you have any questions or perhaps any issues, send me an email. As always, good luck and be safe.